My name is Josiah Mphokeng from Mphokeng TV podcast. Being a part of Leruo Foundation incubation program has really been a turning point in my entrepreneurial journey. Through the leadership of Mphokeng, the most important thing that I've learned from her is remaining compliant as a business. Because remember, in South Africa, if you are not compliant as a business, it will be much difficult for you to be able to access funding from the relevant funding bodies. So, and the highlight of my entrepreneurial journey with Leruo Foundation was when I was witnessing Mphokeng accessing funding from different stakeholders which deal with funding because they saw it fit to fund her because they feel that she's really compliant and deserves to get funding. Yeah, and good luck to all the participants who will be taking part in this summit with the hope of winning the grand prize of 100,000 rands. Yeah, I love you, and yeah, I wish you all the best of luck. And I'm saying halala Leruo Foundation, halala. Hi hole Leruo Foundation, hi hole. I love you guys. Goodbye. Bye.